How to install AquaGuard wood flooring. Here are the tools and materials you'll need for installation. Step 1. Prep. No acclimation time is necessary before installation, unless the flooring has been exposed to extreme hot or cold for more than 2 hours. Measure your room prior to installation and allow 10% cutting waste. Begin by removing any moldings and cleaning the subfloor. Be sure the subfloor is dry. To ensure a natural-looking floor, work from several boxes of flooring at a time. Do not install cabinets or fixed objects over flooring. Step 2. Installation. Begin laying the planks from left to right. Place the floorboard a 1/4 inch from the left wall. Use 1/4 inch spacers between the floorboard and the wall. For the next plank, place it and gently tap with the rubber mallet to firmly lock it to the previous plank. At the end of the first row, leave a 1/4 inch expansion gap at the wall, and measure the last plank to fit. To cut a plank, score with a utility knife several times through the top layer, using a ruler for a straight edge. The plank will split naturally. Start the second row using the leftover plank from the last cut of the first row. This plank must be at least 12 inches long. Click the long side of the plank into the previous row and tightly place it next to the short end of the previous plank with an angle of 30 degrees. Use a rubber mallet to lock it into place. The last row may need to be cut. To measure the last row, lay a loose board exactly on top of the last row laid. Place another board on top with the tongue side touching the wall. Draw a line along the edge of that board to mark the first board. Remove spacers. Finish with moldings to cover the expansion gap. Water-resistant, naturally beautiful, easy to maintain, and durable. AquaGuard wood flooring. It is the high-performance, natural wood floor you can count on working hard for you. Exclusively available at Floor Decor stores and online at flooranddecor.com.